For the one who really wish to lose weight, any time of the year would be a good time to start the process. We're going to introduce one of the most potent beverages to achieve this goal. This syrup will help you eliminate fat and water from your body, and it's really effective if you combine it with cardio. Apart from that, when you use this beverage, the brain function accelerates, improving your memory, vision and hearing. The key ingredient is the fresh horseradish, rich in vitamin C, potassium, vitamins B1, B2, B6, iron, magnesium and phosphorus. The horseradish accelerates metabolism, reduces fatigue, and at the same time encourages the development of good bacteria in the stomach. The preparation of the syrup is quite simple and its effects have had excellent results. The best part is they can be seen in a very short period of time. Ingredients: 125 grams of horseradish, 4 lemons, 3 spoons of honey, 2 spoons of cinnamon, 1 small piece of ginger, 2 centimeters wide. Preparation: mix the horseradish and ginger in a blender. Squeeze the lemon juice out and add it to the blender. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3 spoons of honey and 2 of cinnamon. Lump it all together until you get the syrup. Put the syrup in a pitcher. How to use it: take 1 spoonful twice a day before meal, or before the cardio training. Do so for 3 weeks, then make a break for a few days. You won't regret it. The results are going to be amazing. In addition, we'll give you a list of 15 tips which will help you strengthen your memory and also improve your brain performance. You just need to be consistent in order to get the best results. We hope you'll like it. Rosemary. The first and most potent natural remedy for memory and concentration improvement. Its components improve brain function. Also, its fragrance can do wonders. Do all that you can to get a hold of this plant. You can even use its essential oil. Beetroot. Full of natural nitrates, beetroot improves the blood flow in the brain and body. Hard-boiled egg. You can include the egg-based breakfast in your diet to sharpen your memory. Egg yolk contains choline, beneficial for brain health. The fish, sardines, salmon, codfish are types of fish that are full of omega-3 fat for the proper brain functioning. Avocado contributes to the improvement of the blood flow to the brain. Cranberries. This juicy fruit is full of antioxidants that help protect the brain from the oxidative damages. Onion. Include raw onions in your diet to enhance your memory. Whole grains. The combination of fiber, complex carbohydrates and omega-3 makes whole grains a superfood for the brain development. Tomatoes. A very strong antioxidant, lycopene, defends brain cells from the damage provoked by free radicals, and does wonders for the health of the whole body. Green tea. To sharpen your memory and improve brain capacity, drink 2 to 3 cups of the fresh green tea. This herb can raise concentration levels and cognitive functions, given that it enhances the electric connectivity of the brain. Dark chocolate. Its contribution of powerful antioxidants and its content in caffeine helps sharpen the memory and also raise the concentration levels. Acorn squash. Full of vitamin B12 and folic acid, protects the brain nerves from damaging. Nuts. Improve the oxygen flow and the flow of the essential nutrients to the blood vessels in the brain. In addition, their fatty acids omega-3 increase the brain power. Turmeric. The curcumin can sharpen your memory and prevent inflammatory processes. Apples. One of the best fruits for keeping yourself in good shape, the one that will also help you improve your memory.